We're on a popular Ilford test route for the Good Maze Test Centre. Currently on Green Lanes. At the roundabout, we're going to take a right turn. ALFIE'S driving school offers expert driving lessons in Ilford with both manual and automatic driving instructors. Whether you are a complete beginner wanting to learn to drive in Ilford or you need some refresher lessons, we have you covered. At this one-way system, we're going to follow the sign towards Ilford Stratford's A118. Just looking ahead, as you can see, we have a pedestrian crossing. Typically do get a pedestrian crossing before emerging onto a busy one-way system. There's an island in the middle, so that's two separate crossings. Looking nice and early, it's safe to emerge. As we look ahead, following the sign towards the A118, staying in the left-hand lane. This particular roundabout here, we have no give-way markings in our lane, so we can just proceed with caution. Thanks for watching. Book your driving lessons in Ilford with ALFIE'S Driving School today. Our slots fill up fast, so get in touch to secure your driving instructor today.